In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track when people open your emails using HubSpot. This is an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their marketing and sales strategy, allowing you to know exactly when your emails are being opened, helping you respond more promptly to your leads. Let's dive in and look at how to set this up efficiently within HubSpot. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot trial guide. This is the starting point for accessing the tools you need. The trial guide provides a comprehensive overview of various HubSpot features and functionalities. If you don't have access yet, you may need to sign up or log in using your existing HubSpot credentials. Once you're in, it should be straightforward to find your way to the next steps. Now, after reaching the trial guide, you're going to look for something called the Marketplace. This is where HubSpot houses a variety of third-party integrations and apps that can enhance your experience. By clicking on the Marketplace, you're essentially opening up a wealth of options to extend the capabilities of your HubSpot account. Once you're in the Marketplace, the next step is to navigate towards the Apps section. This section curates all available HubSpot applications that can be integrated into your existing setup. By exploring this section, you'll come across many useful tools, but our focus today is on email tracking through HubSpot for WordPress. To find this specific app within the Apps section, you'll use the search feature. Type in WordPress, and this will narrow down the options, leading you to the specific integration you're looking for. The search feature is quite user-friendly and helps you get to what you need quickly without having to scroll through endless options. After typing in WordPress, you should see an option called HubSpot for WordPress. This is the integration you need to proceed with email tracking. Clicking on this option will provide you with more details about the app and how it can benefit your email tracking capabilities. The final step is simple but crucial. Click on Install App. Installing the HubSpot for WordPress app integrates the email tracking functionalities directly into your HubSpot dashboard. The process is generally swift and might require some permissions or settings configurations, but once completed, you'll be all set up to track when your emails are opened. And there you have it. You've successfully set up email tracking in HubSpot using the WordPress integration. This new capability will empower you to manage your leads more effectively, equipping you with timely information to engage with them at the right moments. Remember to check your HubSpot dashboard regularly to make full use of this new feature. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.